I'm very sure you're not going to discard your next plantain peels after watching this video. Hello value family, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you on how to turn your plantain peels like this into correct fufu, just like this one you are seeing on the screen. This is so good, it's very healthy, and you are going to enjoy it. And you want to know that this was made from plantain peels at all. First of all, you have to wash your plantain peels very well. Make sure to wash it very well. It is very important. And go ahead now to cut these into tiny bits, just like I am doing, because you just want it to be very easy for you to blend. So after cutting, we are going to transfer everything into the blender. Any blender you have at all will work for this recipe because the plantain peels are not that tough, they are not strong. So just add everything into the blender, add in water. This will help this to blend very smoothly, just like this. In case you don't know, plantain peels are totally edible. So you're going to blend this, it is very smooth. First of all, it's going to start off with this color, but when it is smoothly blended, the color is just going to change. So this is what it looks like when it is smoothly blended. So we are going to transfer everything into your pot now. You're just going to start stirring and you're going to start cooking this on low heat first. This is just going to take a little longer to cook. These are plantain peels and it's going to take long time to cook, unlike the regular plantains. And you're going to be stirring these occasionally because you don't want this to have lumps at all. See, as you stir, you'll notice that the color is just gradually changing. And if I don't tell you, if I serve you these, you won't know that it is made from plantain peels at all. So you're going to stir this. Next thing now, you're going to cover it up and allow this to cook completely. After about 7 minutes, come back to it and stir. Notice that it's almost getting ready. Add in about 2 tablespoons of oat flour. This is going to act as a binder in this fufu. So I'm just going to stir in everything together and you will notice how this is going to hold the plantain peels together. It's just going to turn like into fufu immediately. Why you shouldn't add your oat flour at the beginning when you are stirring, because you want to allow the plantain peels to cook completely, because once you add the oat flour, it's just going to make this form into a very thick or firm dough, or even a very thick fufu at that. You can see the consistency has gradually changed. It's no longer very light as it was when we started stirring. So I'm just going to allow this little time to allow the oat flour to cook, so you won't even have a taste of this when you are eating. Just few minutes on fire and this will be ready. Plantain peels are a great source of antioxidant. They are very rich in fiber, folic acid. You can read this up. You go and read this up. You understand how important plantain peels are. So after a few minutes, I'm stirring this together. Notice that the color is now very much darker. You just know that the plantain peel fufu is ready. So right now, I'll proceed now to have this. And I'm just going to wrap this with my cling cling just like this. I just wanted to be very honest at this point. If you are not told, will you know that this fufu was made from plantain flour or plantain peel rather? See, never say never until you try this out. And the more this gets cool, is going to become firmer. Guys, you shouldn't sleep on this one, especially not in this season. So I'm going to wrap this up, and this is what we have. Our plantain peel fufu is ready. Look at how this looks. I bet if you are not told, you won't know that this was made from plantain peels at all. And this quantity got us about 3 wraps of fufu. Guys, don't sleep on this. This is what we have. This is actually very good. It tastes so well. You won't know from the taste that it was made from only plantain peels. You would think that it was made from plantain flour. Thank you guys for watching this video. And if you have enjoyed this video to this point, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done that. I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.